नहीं आ रही बात।
Okay, student. When we meet new people, the introduction is an essential component. For example, when you are going to make new friends in the park, you have to introduce yourself. There are some new neighbors, or when some relatives come in your house, or even many times you have to introduce yourself very confidently. Dear students, the question arises in our mind why there is a need of self-introduction, why we have to introduce ourselves. Dear student, self-introduction is very important. It shows your ability to meet people very confidently. It shows it shows your way of talking and expressing yourself in front of others. And when you are talking in a good manner, the other people judge your confidence level. The second question arises. Look at the screen. Self-introduction is very important and it shows ability to meet people very confidently. And secondly, the question rises, do you think what is the importance of self-respect? Dear students, it's make other people feel more comfortable, allows you to make good impression. Now you can easily understand why there is a need of self-introduction, why you have to introduce yourself in front of your classmate, in front of your class teachers, in the park, and even by traveling by the van, because it shows your confidence level. If you want to ask any question regarding with this, you can type your question.
कोई बोल रहा है मैम आई एम गोइंग टू लीव.
Now the activity time, you students take out your notebooks and a pencil and write down these questions. It's an activity time. Just students, what you have to do, students, you have to record your voice in which you have to introduce yourself by answering the following question. What is your name? What is your nickname? What is your date of birth? What is your nationality? The nation you belong. What is your city name? What is your favorite color, food, and game? What is your favorite indoor activities you are doing in these days? Now you have students, you have to record the answers of the following questions and send it to your class teachers. Okay, class? I think you can easily understand the topic, that what is self-introduction, why we have to introduce ourselves. Now the second topic you have seen in the laptop screen, my family. Our next topic is my family. Dear students, what is a family? What is a family? You are living with a family and can't live alone. A family is look at the screen. A family is a group of people who live together and care for each other. They love and help others. There are many members in your family, like your father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. And you love your all family members. The father is the head of a family. You have seen a picture. I know you all love your father. A father earns day and night to support his family and provide you food, shelter, and all educational expedition. Father works hard to provide you facilities. And the second common member is your mother. Oh, your mother. I know you all love your mothers. A mother take A mother takes care of her family. She works day and night and to give you comfort. She makes food for you. She cleans your clothes, make your uniform very neat and clean. and it helps you in all study matter. When you are having any problem, your mother will easily define your all problem. She works day and night and fulfill your all needs. She grooms up a child. She loves her family and keep a smile on your face. Mother loves is unconditional.
Yes, please.
In our family, ma'am, there live our grandparents. Do you know, dear parents are, do you know who are grandparents? Grand, in our family, there live our grandparents. Do you know, my dears, who are our grandparents? These are the senior members of our family, and the grandparents are the parents of our parents. There are also many other relatives in our family, like aunt, uncle, cousin, great grandfather, great grandmother. How can a family help children? Do you know, students? All the time, a family help you, the family help children to grow and learn. Dear students, your parents take care of your health and provide you best and healthy food. Parents guide you at all the time. Grandparents, your grandmother tells you interesting, informative, and very moral stories that you listen and enjoy very carefully. There are sisters and brothers in your family. To whom you can share your things, your toys, and you play together, you study together. You know, sharing is a caring. Do you share your do you share your things to your brother and sisters? We learn more and more from our family. We should love our all family members and give a lot of respect to all family members. Students, here is some members of a family. I want to introduce themselves. Father's grandfather. It means it is called great grandfather. Brother's son, nephew. Sister's daughter is called niece. Mother's brother is called uncle. Mother's grandmother. It is called great grandmother. Wife's father. He is called father-in-law. Father's grandfather. Now, students, open book page number 5. There are some other relations in our family. Father's grandfather. He is known great grandfather. Brother's son. It is called nephew. Father's wife. It is called your mother. Wife's father. It is called your he is called father's wife. She is called your mother. Wife's father. It is called your father. Wife's father. It is called father-in-law. Brother's son. It is called nephew. Sister's daughter, niece. Mother's brother is called uncle. Father's sister is called aunt. Mother's father is called great grandfather. And now, students, you can easily understand the all family members, your father, your mother, your sisters, brother, grandparents, and you all love them and take care of them. No. Okay, class, now there are some questions. I think you have listened the all lecture very carefully, and you have to write down the homework. Open your notebook and write down your homework. Do book page number 3 and 4. Fine. And there are some questions. You have to give me the answers. Hope you have very carefully listened all the topic. The first one was self-introduction, why there's a need of self-introduction. And then the second is about your family members. Your family members. Who are your family members? Who? Now can I ask questions? Who are our grandparents? Who will tell me the answer? Yes, Inaya. Inaya, tell me the answer. Who are our grandparents? Tell me, beta. Hurry up, hurry up. Don't do. Yes. Confidently give me the answer. Loudly, please. Inaya, beta, I am looking you. Who are our grandparents? Do you have grandparents in your house? Yes. Say yes. Unmute. Fine. Hamza. Mohammed Kamran. Mohammed Kamran, are you listening me, beta? Who are our grandparents? Yes, you. Give me answer. No, don't move. Yes. Who are our grandparents? Do you have grandparents in your house? Tell me. Okay. Next, Muhammad. Hamza, are you listening? Yes. Tell me, beta, who are our grandparents? No. Look at the screen, beta, and tell me the answer. Who are our grandparents? You have a grandparents in your house? Your dada, your dadi, nana, nani. Yes, and you love them? So tell me, who are they? I'm waiting for your answer, beta. Okay, now. Yes, Maria Saifullah. Yes, very good. Good. Yes. Tell me, beta, very good. Maria Saifullah. Who are our grandparents? Fine. Ali Afan is raising his hand. Yes, Ali, now it's your turn, beta. What does a father do for you? What does a father do for you?
Parents.
Ali Afan, I'm waiting for your answer, beta. Look at the screen. What does a father do for you? Give me the answer. Okay, Gibran is raising his hand. Very good. Gibran Hashmi.
I can't hear.
Gibran Hashmi, beta, tell me, what does a father do for you?
Ma'am, Daniyalu. Father takes care.
Gibran Hashmi, what does a mother do for you? What does a mother do for you?
She take care of
Ali
me.
Afan is again raising the hand.
She take care of me.
Oh, wow, very good. Take care of yourself. Very good. Very good. Fine. Excellent. Super. Maria Saifullah? Maria? Now it's your turn, beta. Are you listening? Are you listening me? Yes, fine. Good. What does a mother do for you? Tell me, Maria. Mother, yes.
Mother cooks us.
Oh, fine. Do you love your mother? Do you love your mother? Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, now who will give me the answer? Raise your hands. Zainab Nasir. Zainab Nasir. Zainab Nasir, are you listening me, beta? Are you listening me? Yes. Okay. Tell me which thing you share with your brother and sister.
We share toys.
Zainab Nasir, please tell me what type of thing you share with your brother and sister. Yes, tell me. Tell me, beta, tell the answer. Give me answer. Yes, tell me. Tell me, beta, answer. Give me the answer. What type of things you share with your brother and sister? बोले आप क्या शेयर करते हैं अपने सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर के साथ क्या शेयर करते हैं टॉयज
And my room.
वेलकम माहीन मतीन हाउ आर यू बेटा माहीन मतीन हाउ आर यू माहीन लुक एट द स्क्रीन आर यू लिसनिंग मी Maheen, Mateen, are you listening me, beta? Okay. Tell me who are our grandparents? Mateen, Maheen, beta, are you listening?
The parents for.
Yes, the parents of.
Yes.
Who are our grandparents?
Our parents. Our parents.
Okay, parents of your parents. Very good, nice.
The parents of our parents.
Yes, very nice, good, very good. Very good. Now it is the turn of who want to give answer. Okay. Faiz Alam.
Me, ma'am.
How are you, Faiz? Faiz, how are you? I'm with you.
Yes, miss.
How are you, beta?
I'm fine.
Fine, okay. Can you introduce yourself in front of your all class fellows?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat it. Yes. Introduce yourself.
Yes. Yeah, yes, introduce yourself.
Repeat it.
Yes, tell me your name, your father name, your nickname, your date of birth.
My name is Faisal. I'm 6 years old.
Fine.
30 August.
Wow, very good. What is your favorite color and game?
I'm 6 years old. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green.
Green, very nice. Okay, very good, beta. Excellent.
Football.
Very confidently. Keep shining and fine. No, who? Zainab Zamir.
Thank you.
Zainab, how are you? Zainab Zamir, how are you, beta? How are you, Zainab? Zainab? Are you listening me? Are you listening me? Yes? Zainab, can you introduce yourself? Zainab, can you introduce yourself? Tell me, beta. Yes, introduce yourself. Tell me your name, your father name. Hurry up, beta. Hurry up, beta. Tell me your name, your father name, your date of birth. No, she's not giving the answer. No. Who want to introduce yourself?
Introduce myself. I introduce
Gulasi,
myself.
why you are moving?
I want to introduce myself.
Navira Zainab. Abdullah Asif, raise your hand. Abdullah Asif. Abdullah Asif, how are you, beta?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, fine. How are you fine?
I'm fine.
Very good. Beta, introduce yourself in front of your all class fellows. Introduce yourself. Yes. Tell me your name, your nickname, your date of birth. Very confidently. Hurry up.
My name is Abdullah.
Fine.
My
Yes.
father's name is Asif Iqbal.
Very good. Fine.
My date of birth is 10 July.
Oh, fine. Very good. Very good. Okay. Fine. Very. Keep smiling, my dear Abdullah Asif. Well done. Good. Now it's the turn of Navira Zainab.
Thank you, teacher.
Navira Zainab. How are you, Navira?
I'm
Zainab. Okay, beta. Now introduce yourself.
My name is Navira. I'm 7 years old.
Fine. Fine.
I study in class 2.
Fine. Very good.
I like to read storybooks.
Very
My
fine.
favorite color is blue.
Oh.
My favorite fruit is mango. I
Fine.
love my family very much.
Oh, wow. Excellent. Fantastic. Very good. Okay, now students, you have to write your homework task. Fine. The activity again I have shown on the screen that you have to record your voice and send to your class teacher. You have to send voice recording in which you have to introduce yourself, your name, your nickname, your date of birth, your nationality, your city name, favorite color, food, game, and favorite indoor activity. You do it very confidently. And the second task was you that you have to do homework on page number in book page number 3 and 4. All the best, students. I really enjoyed to see you, and we share our some things to you. I really enjoyed you. Best of luck, beta. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Wave your hands. Allah Hafiz. Wave your hands. All of you, wave your hands. Allah Hafiz. Wave your hands. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.